Hello everyone, myself are Aiyshwariya Devi, Assistant Professor Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. Today we are going to see about the hands-on session on spreadsheets. Okay, today I am going to discuss about the easy Excel, that is a spreadsheet function regarding student progress report. Okay, so the first shortcut function will be to select full row. We have to use shift plus space. Now see that the rows will be selected. Now we are going to select the columns, all columns. So you have to give the shortcut control plus space. Now see that all the columns will be selected, right? So next I'm going to give you the data filter, how to work on filters easily. Okay, we have a direct straightforward option and another two shortcut methods will be there. The first straightforward option will be for selecting a data filter, you shift space, go to the data and press filter. Now see all the filter options will be available, right? So the next two shortcut method, the first shortcut method will be shift space alt D plus double F. Now see that all the filters will be selected. This is the first shortcut method and the second shortcut method will be shift plus space then shift control plus L. This is another shortcut method to select the filter operations, right? So the next we are going to see the student who is getting more than 90%, that is a pass mark, and less than 50, that is awarded as a fail marks. To use these things, what are the shortcut methods? There are two ways to select this filter. The first method will be go to the marks, alt plus down arrow key. You will see the list of numbers will be there. So first we are going to check the students greater than 90 marks. So for that you are going to give the greater than option, greater than 90. So click OK. So these are the list of students getting greater than 90 marks. Then the same procedure for checking less than 50 marks. Same, go to the marks, number filters, select less than 50 and give OK. By doing this, we are getting the student getting less than 50 marks, that is awarded as the fail. Okay. So another, if you want to see the full list, there are two options. Go to data, press data filter. The filter will be removed. Again, if you press filter, the filter operations will be applied, right? So another two simple operations are there. That is the shortcut methods are there. To select the filter, simply press, this is a shortcut method, alt plus D plus F plus S. You will see the complete list. All list will be available, right? So, or if you want to check both the marks greater than 90 as well as less than 50. If you want to check the two options at the same time, you have to press the number filter, down arrow, filters. You have to apply the condition, number filters, select greater than. Here two options will be available. One is greater than option and another one is less than option. You have to give the, at the same time give the, if that is the number is greater than 90, have to give the OR option. Here two operations will be there. One is AND operation and another will be OR operation. Have to give OR operation. So greater than 90 and the student awarded less than 50 at the same time. Give OK. So here the list of students who is getting greater than 90 marks and less than 50 marks will be available in the complete list. So we can see it in the complete list. So these are the basic filter operations available